Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare copper versus stainless steel stills. We'll explore the distinct advantages and disadvantages of each material, helping you understand which might be the best fit for your distilling needs. Copper is known for its excellent heat conductivity and ability to remove unwanted sulfur compounds, while stainless steel offers remarkable durability and ease of maintenance. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture to guide your choice. Copper stills are highly prized for several key reasons. First, copper is an excellent heat conductor, ensuring very stable and even temperatures throughout the distillation process. Second, it naturally reacts with and removes undesirable sulfur compounds, which significantly improves the taste and aroma of your distilled spirits. This catalytic action is a major advantage, contributing to a smoother, higher-quality final product that many distillers seek. Stainless steel stills offer a different set of compelling advantages. They are incredibly durable and resistant to corrosion, meaning they can last for many, many years with proper care. Cleaning and maintaining a stainless steel still is also much simpler, ensuring a hygienic environment for your distillation. Furthermore, stainless steel stills typically come with a more affordable initial price point, making them an excellent option for those on a budget. When deciding between copper and stainless steel, consider your priorities. If producing premium spirits with refined flavors is your main goal, copper's unique properties are often preferred. For those seeking versatility, exceptional durability, and a more budget-friendly option, stainless steel is an outstanding choice. Remember, some distillers even use hybrid stills, combining the best attributes of both materials for a truly customized setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.